Hello everyone, let's see how to use split screen option in Android phone. Open any of the apps or go to your recent open apps. Let me click here to go to my recent open apps and have two apps open here, Chrome and Settings app. Click on any of the apps icon. Click here or click here. I will click on the Chrome app icon and we will get the split screen option. Select split screen and we can see that the Chrome browser will go and sit on the top and the second app is here. Now double tap on the second app, double tap here, and we can see that both apps will get aligned together. Now we can work on both the apps simultaneously together. Now let's look in different rotation mode how the split screen looks. Hope you like this. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching.